Yes, welcome to 7,641 islands. It's a part of Bohol, and this is a virgin island, Panglao, Bohol, one of the best islands.
White Island!
Korakas pa naman, la bomba di ba?
Itong pumangka.
Oh my God! That's why no, wag naglisten ang Pilipinas, so wala naglisten ang kalibutan kaya kay mga tourists nato nga his Pilipinas just to visit Bohol. And Bohol sa usa gyud sa most visited place in the Philippines, and of course no, wow makaingtag there is a paraiso in the Philippines, specifically here in Bohol. Yun, this is the 10th largest islands of the Philippines, and enjoy, have fun, and of course this is the Virgin Island here in Bohol. Mabuhay! Nay mga
Nag-report pag naot kayo.
nag-face.
Sino mag-upping sa panay? Bata.
Come to Virgin Island.
Dito sa building ito na inipa.
So, nato sa Virgin Island. Hi. Hello. So walking down the street on the sand there.
Very fine sun.
The fine, fine, thank you. Mga berry. So this is the Virgin Island here in Bohol. Mga inflatable roads diri. Oh my God. Magambak-ambak na yun. Ara! Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my God, mura sila mga... Also, yes, this is the Virgin Island in Bohol. So, nebangko dira. Na mga punuan po ka magpasilong.
Or mangihi.
Yes! With me, yes. Kasama namin si... Anyong nga sa'yo! Anyong! Shy time si Anyong man, oy.
Or mag-camping.
Mag-camping yung si Chan daw. This is it. Ah! Dagan! Run! Ow! Okay.